Why hello, it's your gal ZomBean back at it again with some makeup content, an actual makeup tutorial. What a shocker. This will be the first makeup video as of 2022 and I am excited. It's been a while. It's been 2 months at this point. Is it 2 months? Is it 3 months? Please tell me it's not been 3 months. I've been bad. I have been so incredibly bad that today's video is going to be a bit of a devilish makeup look. So first things first, I've already primed, put foundation on and concealer and powdered and a little bit of bronzer. I've already done all that. I've done most of the face makeup. I've primed my canvas, shall we say. However, before I continued with the face makeup, I wanted to add something a little bit special. My new horns. You may remember as of last year that I designed my own horn prosthetics. They're like squishy silicone horns and I absolutely love them. And I'm now happy to announce that they now come in custom colors. You don't have to just get a plain skin tone, boring. You can get it in any color you want. I do these ones, which are the pale skin tone to pink, black to clear, which is exciting. You can get rainbow. Who else out there is doing rainbow horns? So to apply your silicone prosthetic, all you really need is adhesive. So either Prosthetic, spirit gum, you can use lash glue if you like, acetone, and it has to be 100% acetone, I'm afraid. I know that seems quite harsh, but your skin will live. It's fine. Obviously be cautious around certain areas of your face. If you are indeed applying it to your face, don't let it drip, don't let it get in your eye area, rinse if it does get into your eyes, go to hospital if you need to, I don't know. Be sensible. So I have my horns here. I'm just going to cut them in two because my forehead is a little bit big. I like to do them one at a time because I don't have enough limbs. Apply to your skin as opposed to the prosthetic, because if you apply to the prosthetic, it tends to get a little bit messier. I don't know why, it just doesn't quite work as well. So I prefer to just take my adhesive, I'm using Prosthetic, and just apply it to the area that you want. And now that that's dried to the point where it's now tacky, I'm just going to apply my horn. Sure, it's the right way up. So now that they are thoroughly applied to my skin, they're not going to go anywhere. I'm going to take my acetone with the other side of my Q-tip or cotton bud, depending on where you are from. And I'm just going to gently dissolve away all the edges. Okay, so now that my squishy little horns are on my head, I'm just going to blend them in with some foundation. The horns are in place. Now let's finish off the face makeup. I'm going to use Glossier's Cloud Paint and I'm going to apply quite a lot in the center of my face. I'm going to apply some highlighter. I'm using the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer and I'm just basically going to apply this to every area that we just applied blush to. Oh, now that we're done with the face, we're going to move on to the eyes. We're gonna do up these eyes a little bit. First things first, I'm going to prep my eyelids. I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Now I'm going to use my ColourPop She's a Rainbow palette. Basically these 4 shades right here. I'm going to start off with the lightest shade first. And I'm just going to apply this in small circular motions across my crease and then blending out the edge like so. And now that I've done that, I'm going to apply this darker pink shade and just basically emphasize that line that we've created. Okay, now that that's done, I'm now going to apply the red colour and I'm basically just going to make a blob. I know that sounds really bad, you know, eyeshadow, blob, not fantastic, but I'm just wanting to focus it just in this spot right here. And then last step, I'm going to take this pink sparkly shade right here and just add a bit of shimmer to the middle of my eye. I'm now going to go back in with my highlighter, basically just brighten up my inner eye corner. Oof, I hate it when that happens, when the little cushion pad falls out your curlers and then you have like a minor heart attack because you think to yourself, wow, what if I had not seen that happen? And then I just slice off my eyelashes. I'm now going to curl my lashes so then they are no longer pointing towards the ground. My favourite mascara, which is the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. Why does my face look weird? Oh right, the horns, yeah. The last thing I'm going to do for the normal makeup, that is apply some lashes. There we go. This is the look as it is, but I want to do a little bit more. I want to be a bit artsy. I'm not gonna lie, I've been inspired by my nails, which I love. So what I'm gonna use are some cream-based face paint. These are super cheap, super easy to get. They're just on Amazon. I'll link them down below for anyone who's interested. I'm gonna take some of this creamy off-white color here, perhaps mix that in with some of the red. And I've got my very small paintbrush right here that I like to use. And I'm gonna make a start with this lovely pink shade that I've just created. This is the biggest thing about when you're doing something like this is, where do you start? Where do I start? No, tell me, where do I start? And that's it, that's the look. I hope you all enjoyed it. As always, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you would like to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. Comment if you're feeling chatty, and I will see you all next time. Bye.